Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to access the fingerprint scan on your Xiaomi 12 Pro to access your device. Well, at the moment I only have a PIN, so if I swipe up here, it will ask for my PIN and I will just type it in and everything's fine. But of course you can also access this device with your finger, and that's so convenient, it's so safe, it's so great. So we go to the settings, and when we are in our settings we go a little bit down until we have passwords and security, and here we have the fingerprint unlock. Just to side information, we also have the face unlock, but I won't recommend you to use it because we only have here one camera, so it doesn't look at the depth, so you can choose a photo or other things, so don't use face unlock. Fingerprint unlock is great, so confirm your PIN, and I will just type in my PIN. It's 4 times the 0. I click next and then add your fingerprint. About in-screen fingerprint sensor. To be able to use in-screen fingerprint sensor, normally don't use screen protectors. If you think that a screen protector is still necessary, choose among authorized compatible options. Okay, so I got it, and here you have the fingerprint scanner, and I just press my finger on it and move my finger every time a little bit, so because we don't put our finger every time on the same way on the fingerprint scanner, so he must look for all the different options from your finger. Okay, so done, saved as fingerprint 1. So great. Here's my fingerprint 1. I can also change the name, and I can also remove it, of course, and I can also add other fingers. Here my fingers or my thumbs, and I use fingerprints for lock screen, privacy password, app lock, shortcuts, and other things, and you can take a look at it. But at this moment now, when I am turning on my device, you can see here the fingerprint sensor, and I can just press it in, and wow, great, I'm directly in my device. But what happens if somebody's wrong with my finger? So I just use another finger. Okay, it's not working, hey, help, I want to come in it. Why? Okay, and then he will say enter the PIN, too many unsuccessful attempts. So you also have the PIN, so you need a PIN to access your fingerprint sensor, but I think that's a great thing because it really works fast, how you can see here. Well, that was it, how to activate your fingerprint on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.